Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to optimize your TikTok experience with AI technology. So here's a step-by-step guide. So basically the AI powered editing tools use TikTok's editing features like auto captions, voice effects and transitions to enhance videos. So leverage external AI tools like Pictory AI for advanced video editing. So I will be just moving right over here. So what gonna do, you just also use the content creation tools like chat gpt. So right over here you will just generate a short script for the TikTok. So you will just give them command generate a short content script on daily life. So you will just give them command to chat gpt to create a script with captions and ideas with brainstorming. So what gonna do, you will just simply copy it till the end, and you will just copy and move in the pictory aa and just tab on it text to video. So you will just paste it here easily and give them name tiktok, and when it's save changes you will just tap on it proceed, and let's see.
Camera pans over the bed as you wake up. 1. Good morning, everyone. Starting my day fresh. Let's get this day going. Check mark. Scene 1. Morning routine.
Video is ready. So here you will just change the landscape. You will just select the 9 by 16 portrait mode which is used in TikTok especially. So you will see. So basically these AI driven techniques you can maximize your TikTok reach and engagement effectively. So in this way you will just optimize your TikTok experiences with AI technology applications. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.